Hi everyone, this is Galen Martling. Today I'm going to show how I use the BetterPress Letterpress system to hot foil, specifically this graphic and bold and dramatic numbers card. I made an anniversary card, but these numbers of course can be used for any occasion. For this, I'm going to use large letters and large numbers, and I want to tell you the biggest thing to do when you're using large and solid press plates is to double heat it up. Heat it up 2 times or more and make sure it's preheated a very long time, maybe 10 minutes or so before you start using it, and then heat up the numbers double the time. So like if it says it's ready, turn it off and do it again and reheat it up. That's just my tip. Now I am going to be foiling onto smooth, dark cardstock. This is a purple cardstock, and it might need an extra shim. I used 2 extra shims, and I think I only needed 1 using my Big Shot machine. But if you have the Spellbinders Platinum die cutting machine, and you run the Glimmer system plate through that, you should be all ready to go and set to go without any additional shims. But because of the Big Shot, I used 2 shims, and there was a little bit of overage on the foil. Now I used embellishments to cover that up because I wasn't so concerned about it. If it's something that would show like in the middle or close to what you're foiling, then maybe try again with less shims. This is what it looks like after it's finished, and I used gold foil. And all of these press plates are from Spellbinders, and I use the Color Mix Celebration collection. And these are the numbers, the bold numbers. I believe it's called bold color mix numbers press plates. And the sentiments are from Sweeping Celebrations. So what I like to do is I like to just tape the foil and let it wrap around the back of the cardstock with repositionable tape. You see I have a little overage there. I die cut. After it was foiled, I die cut the foiling, and then I added some hearts just to go along with the anniversary theme. And I used shimmer paper for the hearts, but you can foil those as well if you have a press plate for that. I love that BetterPress press plates can be foiled. It's so wonderful. I did a video on before about coloring them. Now you can actually foil them as well. But dye inks work great if you want to color these in instead of using foil. Now, I also pre-pressed and die cut a sentiment strip from a collection of sentiments that press and cut out all at once. I love that. And I show that in another video, but all the supplies will be listed down below if you want to check out these and give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day.